For the last road trip. Good morning. Hey, how are you feeling?
Yeah, good.
Excited? Pumped?
Yeah, excited, pumped. Ready.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
This is what it's like traveling now.
It's full.
We've just been some of our ohana here at Sydney Airport.
Yep, this is the baggage.
Aloha everyone, Kupa Kavika Foster here. We are heading to Hobart, Tasmania to catch a ferry to the Bruny Island, Lunawanna, so we can participate in the Good Spirit Festival with the Ngāti Niari. I'm going to be doing some workshops, some ceremonies, and also participating in some of their speaker panels. So it's going to be a great experience and I can't wait to get there. We just made it through domestic security and now we're heading to our gate 56, and it's a short flight to Hobart.
I feel underdressed to check into my own. Now how about we head down that street down into the water where we were.
Well, that's where I would like to go.
Let's go.
Head down.
Do you want to go, Kelly?
Head for the sun, follow your footsteps, edge of the world, right to your doorstep home. Anywhere you wanna go, beyond the stars, out where the sun sets, we'll find the light, and we'll keep it our secret home. Anywhere you wanna go.
Another artist that come along, maybe do the same, and connect them as well.
Great.
So left or right? Which do you? The gas, it might.
Yeah.
So we made it here. We're on site of the Good Spirit Festival with Ngāti Niara. It's the festival grounds and we're still just getting set up, and we've got to meet the team and Ruth Langford, who's operating the whole festival, and Donna, her right hand, and some of the indigenous cultural keepers of the land, Nathan.
How long?
We are at the family dinner tonight, enjoying the company of all the artists and speakers of the Good Spirit Festival. And so we're all here, including the teams that are helping to set it all up. So it's a really, comforting, quiet evening, and lots of conversation, great food, and just having a meal together. We're heading to the forest. We're going back out to the Good Spirit Festival grounds to gather some foliage to make some leis, and a lei po'o, or a haku, what they call a hakule, and then also a garland lei that's gonna lay across our chest. Stop. Stop.
God, just going into the forest with a big knife.
Guide us, safeguard and take care of us while we're here. Mahalo you deeply, and we send this prayer to you now with a sacred and powerful word. Eha mama, eha mama, eha mama. combine it with these. And you only really need a sprig like that. So there's actually a lot, you know what I mean? There's really a lot, but then you have the two varieties of fern. Very nice. Okay, let's do it. You see how there's a main branch. There's a main branch, and then it has these two that will spear out from it. So these will continue to grow, right? And it won't stump the length of the branch. Like this one, see here? This one's the main branch. And so I'm gonna take this one here. It grows off of.
Your grandfather. Oh,
Time keeps on slipping like sand through my hands. I honestly can't believe I'm as old as I.
This is what you're gonna use to wrap. This is what we call vili. Yeah. So this is what you're gonna use to wrap around your bundle. Holding it right there at the knot.
Yeah.
I've pinched my bundle up against that knot.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna use this to wrap around and make sure I catch right underneath the knot and cinch down. Okay? So that's all that it's gonna be. And I'm just fluffing with my lengths here. I want to make sure that it's a nice sturdy length. The length that I want, I pinch right up against the knot, pull over, make sure that it catches at my knot, and cinch down. Now you're gonna go over one time, and you're gonna lock this first one down. Okay, so how you lock it down is you're holding it. That's the back of my lei. I'm holding it. Yeah, I'm gonna go over this finger, over again, pull underneath, yeah, and then lock it. Yep. And boom, locked.
Do you want to wear this one as well? To Turple?
I think so.
Okay, so as long as I get that one back.
You want this one back, or you want this one back?
I want that
You
one
want
back.
that one back. Whose is this? This is just an extra? Okay, 5.
I would love to leave at 5 if we can.
Okay, so we're leaving it 5.
Join together.
It's not even gonna join together?
No.
That's fine. So pin me to my shirt.
So anybody got any more?
And I don't want too big a bunny here.
Yeah, okay.
Yep, I don't want too big a bunny here.
Do you want it in the red or the gold?
The red.
Yeah.
That's the next one.
You gotta do
This
it
is
together,
what
make
we're
sure
wearing.
it's safe.
I could just tie a little black
No, I
something.
just need to pop.
No, I just need to pop the knot through it. Oh,
Yeah.
there it is.
Yeah.
There.
Oh, good.
And then this one too. It's good.
Yeah.
Okay. Their system, from what I understand, their system is a little bit different from ours in that they're gonna do a welcoming first. Okay, aloha everyone. We just finished up with the opening ceremonies at the Good Spirit Festival, and it was a really incredible experience. So really happy to be here and to be able to participate. The opening fire ceremony and the smoking ceremony was just really a touching moment. Okay, so we're done now and we're heading home, and it's cold and we're hungry, but it was a really great opening.
Look at that sky.
Yeah, and the sky is fantastic. It's the second day of the Good Spirit Festival. We are about to sit down and engage in a really awesome conversation about alternatives to youth justice.
Request cannot come down until the pohaku, until the stone is removed. And in this way, the path is our path. So anyways, so the pohakus are literal pohakus.
We just finished up with the speaker panel on alternative to youth justice. Yeah, we finished up with a talk of Ho'oponopono and the significance of the process of making right, and a really great conversation about forgiveness.
My grandfather, because they have a very similar essence.
We just got finished with the workshop talk on healing touch, Lomi Lomi. We went a little bit overtime, but it was welcomed and it was really a great turnout. I loved the whole thing.
There's no reservation. Don't be caught up with your own self.
Hey guys, have you seen the beauty of this land?
4 steps right, 4 steps left. No, do it with your hands. Ready?
We are all done. We finished up. We did the closing ceremony. Well, we finished with a talk, a panel talk, and then we did a hula workshop, and now we just completed the closing ceremonies, and we were blessed with the mangana, the black parrots. And now we're heading home. It's all done. So that's a wrap. It's finished.
Is a parrot a cockatoo?
Black cockatoo.
Oh, it's a black cockatoo. It's a mangana black cockatoo, not a black parrot. Tell my ancestors.